Hello, welcome to Lab 11.3.2.7 with Gerardo Perez. In this lab, we will be using Windows utilities to configure operating system settings. So for part one, we're going to create a custom management console. To do that, we're going to go ahead and open it up using run, then MMC. Click yes. All right. From here on out, we're going to go ahead and select File. We're going to add and remove a snapin. So for this snapin, what we're going to select is going to be Folder, Add, and then we're also going to add a link to web address file. We're going to have this one direct to cisco.com, so http://www.cisco.com. And hit next. We're going to name this Cisco. Finish. Okay. Step 2, now we're actually going to create the custom management console. So what we're going to do is we're going to add snapins to the folder snapin, this file. So we're going to go ahead and select Advanced, allow changing the current parent snapin, and then we're going to select Folder. Now we're going to add 3 snapins to this folder, the computer management. So computer management, add. We're going to keep it to the local computer, device manager, and disk management. Same thing, we're going to keep it to this or local computer. I'm going to hit finish and OK. Now we're going to rename the folder to console management, to our management tools. Okay. Once we have renamed to management tools, we're going to go ahead and save this custom console. File, save as, and we're going to save it to desktop for quick and easy access. And we're just going to give it a quick file name, which is going to be ITE users console. Hit save. So if done correctly, it's going to create the new file right there. I'm going to go ahead and close this. And to just verify that we actually created the console correctly. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and open up the event viewer. So we're going to do that, computer management. We're going to get the drop down for computer management and then select the event viewer. And that's how we navigate to the event viewer tab. And we're going to go ahead and close this. I'm not going to save any changes to the console settings. And that's going to be part 1.